Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this video we will learn how to share a OneNote notebook and collaborate with others. OneNote works well for personal use, but you can also share your notebooks and collaborate with others whenever needed. Before sharing a notebook, make sure it is saved in a location that supports sharing, such as OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, or SharePoint. For example, let's try sharing this notebook that is saved on the PC. OneNote asks us to upload it to OneDrive first, because the notebook needs to be saved online before it can be shared. There are different ways to share a notebook in OneNote. We will first show the full process from the Share button, and then we will briefly show two other ways to access the same sharing options. The first and most common way is from the Share button at the top right of the page. Make sure the notebook you want to share is open. Then click Share. And choose Share Entire Notebook. Here, enter the email address of the person you want to share the notebook with. For example, I will send this to a student. Before sending the invitation, check the permission level. Permissions control what other people can do with the notebook. There are two main types of access. The first is View Access. This allows others to read the notebook without editing it. The second is Edit Access. This allows others to add, change, or delete content. If the notebook is only for reference, View Access is usually enough. If people need to work together inside the notebook, Edit Access is more suitable. After choosing the correct permission, you can add a short message. Then click Send. Another way to share the notebook is by right-clicking the notebook name and choosing Share this notebook. This opens the same sharing options, so the process is the same. Enter the email address, choose the permission level, and send the invitation when you are ready. A third way to share your notebook is from the File tab. Click File. Click on the Settings button beside the notebook you want to share. Then choose Share or Move. This also leads to the sharing settings, where you can invite people or manage how the notebook is shared. We can also share the notebook by copying a link. To do so, make sure you select the notebook you want to share. Then click the Share button and choose Copy Link to Notebook. Before sharing the link, always check the link settings to decide who can access the notebook and whether they can view or edit it. You can also add an expiration date for the link. Click Apply. Then paste the link and send it through email, Teams, or another platform. Before sharing your notebook, always review the content first. Make sure it does not include personal, private, or sensitive information that you do not want others to see. If some notes should stay private, it is better to move them to another section or create a separate notebook for sharing. Now let's talk about password protection. In OneNote, password protection is applied to sections, not to the entire notebook. This means we can protect one section while keeping the rest of the notebook available. To protect a section, right-click the section name and choose Password Protect this section. Then click on Set a Password. Then enter the password. Confirm it. And click OK. Passwords should be used carefully. If the password is forgotten, the protected notes may not be recoverable. Now the section is locked. It cannot be opened without the password. Now let's see how the shared notebook appears from the other person's side. When we invite someone to a shared notebook, they receive an email notification in Outlook. In this example, we will open the student's Outlook account and check the email showing that the teacher shared a notebook. Then we will open the notebook and see how the permission level affects what the student can do. If the notebook was shared with edit access, the student can open it, add notes, and make changes inside the notebook. If the notebook was shared with view access only, the student can open it and read the content but cannot make changes. To summarize, sharing allows others to access a notebook, permissions control what they can do, and password protection helps protect private sections. In the next video, we will learn how to use OneNote with Microsoft Teams. For more video tutorials, visit our channel.